Utrecht was much more than that. It was the city where a new world order was drawn up, where Europe was given a new physiognomy that Catalonia has never ceased to question. This conflict fought over the right to ascend the Spanish throne, spanned the globe, and involved two opposing world views. In political terms, sort of the compromising or collaborative approach, so to speak, of the Catalans who supported the Holy Roman Emperor Charles VI, and on the other side, the absolutism of Philip V of the House of Bourbon. 300 years later, the case of the Catalans, as we have all seen today, is being discussed in political chambers around the world. It's also being discussed in the media, on the internet, and on the streets. When we say that eyes of the world, or the eyes of the world are on us, we are not exaggerating. We can also see this continuity in the international activities that were carried out then, and in the international activities that are being carried out now. Until now, there has never been such sustained and genuine interest in Catalonia and its future. The international media are sending correspondence to our country in an attempt to answer the following question: what is happening in Catalonia today? We, the Catalan people, are proclaiming our own case. The path Catalonia has begun to take is a new path, a different path. Moreover, it is a peaceful, civic, democratic path. It could not be any other way in the 21st century Europe. In fact, what the Catalan people want today is not so different from what we wanted then. We want our opinion to be listened to. We want to participate in the discussion as an active subject, not a passive object. Governments and institutions cannot avoid participating in a process that obliges them to take a position, even if they do so only internally. The people would not understand it if they did otherwise. With the commemoration of the Tricentenari, we want to draw attention to two things that I feel are of particular interest in historical terms. One, that we have much to learn about our own history, and two, that our cause, our capacity for resistance, our commitment was recognized in Europe even years after the war was ended.